Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. How you doing today, folks? I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is Saturday, and we have the one and only John coming back because just keeps investing for all of you. And he's taken the idea of the turnkey calculator and added some new and amazing fields. Yes, I will add the calculator to the free course where in the bonus section, I will just add it as a attachment. So it'll be there sometime later today. John, how you doing, man?
I'm doing awesome. Thank you for having me again today.
Yeah, you just every week you got these little new special things for us to look at. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. I know the audience appreciates it. Let me bring it up and you can tell us what you've done for us this week.
Sure.
Let me just bring it up. There we go. So what are we looking at today?
Okay, go to the defaults tab.
Sure. There we go.
If you remember here, we have all the defaults for the spreadsheet that are entered here.
Okay.
The gray fields you can't edit at all, just the colored fields.
Gotcha. So so again, let's just pretend we are somebody looking at this for the first time. So one of the first things, right, something I teach, right, I talk about average, good, and great deals. So something that they'll have to do is have to put in their numbers, right? So if their average is 8, a good is 9, 10, vice versa. So these are decision points for folks, correct?
Yes, they are.
Awesome.
I think you talk about the investor writing only great offers. The whole purpose of this spreadsheet is to help the investor do just that.
Again, I want people to hear that, right? The last couple of years has been really hard, right? I was doing good deals the last 2 years because it was tough. I believe we're heading into a changing market. I believe my job is to find motivated sellers. The only way to find truly motivated sellers is to write lots of great offers. And I already know lots of sellers are going to tell me, no, John, I don't care. You just brush it off and you move on to the next one because there will be a motivated seller. So go write great offers. So in this case, we're shooting for 10%, which is awesome. So thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, back to the master tab.
Okay.
All editable fields will be white.
Okay.
On the spreadsheet.
So you've
two
taken
columns B and C.
You've taken the math away from us. So if it's gray, it's calculated.
Yes.
White or clear or whatever you want to call it is manual. So one of the things you will do in this example for line 4 is you will call up your insurance agent and say, hey, I'm looking at a house on 123 Main Street. What would approximate insurance mean? In this case, you said $630. It goes in and does the math for you and gives you a monthly rate, correct?
Yes.
I love it.
All right. That was one of the major changes from the last time because you looked at it and it had some sort of calculation that I had come up with here, but that wasn't good for everybody. So I fixed it so that it's good for everybody now.
You see, you're just such a good dude.
Now, right. I want to demonstrate something here that's really interesting.
Okay.
If you go down to the field, keep going down if you would, please. Purchase price offer.
Okay.
Line 18.
Got it.
You notice it's at that level. Down at the bottom. Look at the color.
Oh.
Everything's blue, right?
Yep.
We're almost exactly 10%.
Almost. Yep.
So I want you to change it by a penny. Add a penny to it.
To the purchase price?
Yeah. To make that 6 a 7 there at the end.
I could do that.
Now go to the bottom.
Uh-oh. 1 penny.
Yes. So
I like it.
What I wanted to illustrate here was when you had the 6 cents instead of 7 cents.
Yep.
That value for the offer is your maximum.
Exactly.
Value.
Given your assumption.
Offer.
Given
so
your
it should be that or less.
Yeah, given your assumption that 10% is great. That's the key.
Yes.
So, folks, you watching this, right? If you're in California market, San Diego, maybe great for you is 4%. We're not here to judge. Whatever great is for you, put in the great deal number, and then that will be used on the master spreadsheet, correct?
Yes.
Sexy. Sexy, sexy. Okay, so let's go play with this a little bit.
So you can change numbers all you want now and see what it does.
Yeah. Yep, that's what I figure happened. So now let's go 120. Should go the other way. Yes, makes perfect sense to me. All right, let's go and play with interest rate. Let's see. Oh, we can play with rent also. So again, rent, right? That's maybe you think it's 14, but you know what? Maybe it's actually 14.50 when you're done. That shouldn't change things.
Yes, that
Yep.
does a lot.
But let's go in and say, oh, it's slow, it's winter, and I only can get 12.50. That should change it too. Oh, look at that. You already got insufficient for your cash flow number, which again was an input on the master. Oh, it's telling you it's a poor deal. Dude, John, you did some great stuff here. So again, this is sexy. All right, let me keep playing. All right, so we played with rent. We did that. LTV. Let's play with this. So this is
You
interest.
play with the interest rate.
So this is, so again, people don't know what this is. This is 6% interest. So let's change this to 6.5. That, oh, look at that. Insufficient. Makes total sense. Let's make this 5.5. Look at that. It's exactly what should happen. I like it. I like it. I like it. What else can I play with? Ooh.
And it's fast.
Yeah, it is.
Speed.
We can put in some homeowners association. That'll affect it.
Mm-hmm.
That adds a cost. Yep. All right, let's zero that out. Yeah, this is so cool. This is very, very cool. It's doing your NOI. It's got your fair market value. It's got LTV. So this is telling you, okay, it's telling you what your down payment is. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, that makes sense. Earnest money. I like it because you're doing all deposits. I got it. I like it. Seller's credit. Oh, there you go. Seller credit. I like it. Closing cost. Again, you can call title because that's a number. And you actually have done colors here, right? Seller credit means money good. Closing cost, money bad, meaning who's paying it. So I like that. I noticed that red and green. Very, very cool. All right.
Trying to make it flexible.
Yeah, this is very cool. This is next level stuff here. So, John, I want to thank you for putting this together, folks. If you want to get this, there's a link below to my free course on Teachable. You have to go to Teachable. I can't send this around to everybody. Just go log into Teachable. It's a free account. It's a free course. Go to the bonus section. But there's also the 52-year spreadsheets there, and all kinds of other stuff. Any other kind of closing thoughts on this, John?
Not on the spreadsheet, but I do have some humor.
Oh, I like humor. Let's go back to you. Let's see.
You remember the coyote, right?
Of course.
Well, it turns out that a real coyote can run twice as fast as a roadrunner.
Really?
Yes.
I did not know this.
So check this out.
A roadrunner's top speed is 20 miles an hour, or 43. Okay, my whole childhood was a big lie.
Yep. And he caught the roadrunner.
That is pretty good. Yeah, I did not know that was true. That's very cool. That's fun.
You got this, for today's market.
Inflation. This guy's looking at the Hubble telescope or whatever that is. I don't know where
It's through the roof.
It's through the roof. Exactly.
You say real estate agents are starting to disappear?
Yep. Oh, that's funny. That's good. That's good.
And shopping for the average consumer.
Oh no. Due to the rapid inflation rates, like double before you reach checkout. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so funny. That's so good. I love that. I love that. Yes. Yeah.
Wages, they're not keeping up.
No, they are not keeping up. Not at all.
This is a long time favorite.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Yep. Fuel and wallet. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
And you remember some time back I mentioned that rents, I had someone who was trying to get 1,500 in my market.
Yeah.
Well, now they're getting it.
Wow.
And Rentometer is now showing this. It's crazy.
15, 12. Wow.
only in that short amount of time.
Yeah. What was that, like 8 weeks ago? 10 weeks ago?
Yeah, if that.
Yeah. Yeah. It's, I started talking about this yesterday. As you know, I think the affordable rental is going the way of the dodo bird. I think the federal government got involved. I think they added costs. I think they scared mom and pop landlords, and they're selling to owner ocs, which is great for owners. Awesome. But you're going to lose 20% of rentals, affordable rentals. And that's going to be a crisis very, very soon.
All right. Well, that's all I've got to share this week.
Well,
I'm getting ready to go on vacation. So
good for you.
it
That's
might
good.
be a couple weeks before we get together again.
No problem. You enjoy your time. Thank you very much. I will get this video, or I get the spreadsheet loaded here momentarily. Thanks, buddy.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.